Is what you're wearing making you look older? I'm Sheila, and this is Chic and Confident, a channel for women over 50 who want to dress well with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. There are many ways you can avoid looking older, from the styles you choose, to how you wear them, to your makeup and your accessories. Today I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can avoid looking older. So let's start with how you dress. The first way that you can dress younger is by the skirts and dresses you choose. Your skirt length, along with the shoes you wear with that skirt, has a big impact on how you look. Skirts that end at the knee, 1 inch above the knee, or 1 inch below the knee look best on most people. However, if your skirt is mid-calf, you can look frumpy very easily, especially if you wear big chunky shoes. It's not just what you wear, but also how you wear it. If you choose a sweater that is shapeless and square, and pair that with a top that's shapeless and square, and wear it with skirt or pants, you will look older and frumpy. I know when a lot of people get older, they have problems with their feet, and they can only wear certain types of shoes. But there are shoes that you can wear that are comfortable and also look stylish. So you don't have to be stuck with big, bulky shoes that don't do anything for your look and actually make you look older. The best shoe is one that is of good quality. So always choose good quality shoes and then start looking for the styles in that quality. One quality shoe is Clark's. They have great styles and they are made for comfort. And there's nothing more important than having your feet feel good. So a wedge heel is a good choice, also a kitten heel. And the third way is to wear a low vamp. When your shoe has a high vamp, it covers in your whole foot and will automatically make your foot look larger, and if you wear it with a skirt, you're going to look frumpy. The second way that you might be appearing older is by wearing trendy clothes, and that's trendy clothes from probably 10 years ago, 15 years ago, maybe even longer. If you haven't gone through your closet and got rid of all your old styles, or if you're somebody who wants to keep styles because they might come back in style and then you wear them, you run the risk of looking frumpy and older. One of the problems that I see a lot of women run into is they buy something that costs a lot of money and they don't want to get rid of it, so they keep it and they keep wearing it, but it's long been gone out of style, and then it really ages you when you wear it. For example, high-rise jeans were in style in the 80s, and if you kept those jeans hoping they would come back in style, and now you wear them, even though they're still high-rise, the new styles are different and they're made differently, so it will make you look older. Even though styles come back, when they come back, they're improved. So get rid of anything in your closet that you've had for especially over 10 years. The third way you can look older is by wearing all black. After 50, wearing black next to your face will instantly age you. Use black sparingly and always wear color on top, especially your best colors. I know you probably have a closet full of black, but if you start gradually, you can get rid of the black and bring in some color, and it will make you look so much younger having color next to your face. That is the right color. The fourth way to look younger is to update your accessories. Nothing will make you older quicker than an old handbag. So if you have one handbag, one black handbag that you take with you everywhere, that's a sign that maybe you need to update. There are lots of different styles of handbags to choose from, and all you really need is one nice one that will go with your wardrobe. A stylish handbag will create a stylish look for you, and hence a younger look. Your glasses also have an effect on how young or old you look. Choose glasses that suit your face shape and that are stylish. If you want to look younger, one of the things you should never wear in your hair are barrettes. They are young, for young people, mostly seen on children. So please don't wear barrettes. The fifth way that you could be looking older is by wearing the wrong undergarments, especially a bra. If you're not wearing the right size bra and your bust is drooping, you will not only look older, but you will also look 10 pounds heavier. So make sure you get a bra that fits perfectly and that your bust line ends between the line between your shoulder and your elbow. If it's down lower than that, you're going to look older. Your hairstyle might also be aging you. Always choose a hairstyle that is suited for your face shape and a color that is in harmony with your skin tone. As we get older, our skin tone changes and we need a hair color that is more in harmony. And in order to look younger, you also need to brighten up your face with makeup. Wearing outdated makeup techniques can also make you look older. So if you're wearing your makeup the same way as you did when you're in your 20s, it's time for an update. An example is eyeliner. Now when we're younger, we usually wear eyeliner on our top lid and our bottom lid. And lots of times we wear it very heavy. So when you're young, you can easily do this and it looks great. But after 50, if you wear dark black eyeliner under your eyes, it brings your eye down and you look instantly older. It's also too dark for your face because your skin lightens as you get older and you don't want all that darkness around your eyes. Take a look in your closet with a new eye, looking for things that are outdated, looking at your makeup for anything that's outdated, and just really think about what you might be doing now that you did 10 or 15 years ago and you haven't changed. And then you'll be onto some ideas that you can change to make you look younger. I hope you found this helpful, and if you'd like more style tips, you can follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.